two-stroke magic is alive and thriving. The 2026 Yamaha YZ125 proves that simplicity and raw performance still have a place in modern motocross. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, where we test what riders actually want. Let's see why this classic format refuses to fade away. Design. Yamaha keeps the YZ125 lean and purposeful. The race-inspired bodywork isn't about aesthetics alone, every line serves aerodynamics and ergonomics. The iconic Yamaha blue stands out on any track. Lightweight components throughout keep the weight impressively low, crucial for a 125. The slim chassis allows riders to move freely, essential for aggressive riding. Quality plastics resist impact, and the overall package feels dialed for serious competition. This isn't a bike with unnecessary additions, it's focused, stripped down, and ready to rip. Performance. The liquid-cooled two-stroke engine delivers that addictive power band everyone loves. It screams to life with proper throttle control, rewarding skilled riders with explosive acceleration. The power delivery demands engagement, you need to keep it singing in the right RPM range. That's the beauty of it. The suspension is race-ready, soaking up whoops and landings with confidence. Handling is razor-sharp, changing direction effortlessly. Braking performance inspires confidence when diving into corners. This bike teaches technique while delivering genuine racing capability. Features and technology. The YZ125 embraces proven technology over gimmicks. The Kayaba suspension offers excellent adjustability for different tracks and rider weights. The 6-speed transmission provides versatility across various terrain. Maintenance remains straightforward, a huge advantage for privateers and weekend warriors. It's refreshingly simple yet highly effective. Conclusion. The 2026 Yamaha YZ125 celebrates what makes motocross pure. It's lightweight, powerful, and rewards rider skill above all else. Are you team 2-stroke or 4-stroke? Defend your choice in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, smash that like button, share with your riding crew, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more dirt bike content. Now get out there and pin it.